Can't believe it, it's hot already. It's March. It shouldn't be this hot. Oh God. Made her enough. I don't want to deal with this right now. Hot. Mayor, it's hot. I know it's Arizona, but I didn't expect it to be this hot. Okay. Hey, I got you something. What? A banana. Where did you get a banana from? Oh, guess what? In the store, I saw some bananas I never expected. They're free, but some reason they have some weird numbers on there. That's price tags, Mayor. You just stole the bananas. Oh, well, I'm just gonna eat them all. Wait, Mayor, Mayor, home! 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 Delicious. No. Just no. No. Yeah, I think I clogged the toilet. You clogged the toilet? Why? I don't know. Why is Mater so stupid all the time? What the? What the? What? Why? What the? Oh no! 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 Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! Mater, help! 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 What's going on? I don't know the waters. I can't close it. Help! Call the plumber. The what? The plumber. What? Just call them. Hurry up! The water's gonna flood. I gotcha. Hurt! What the? Plumber? I don't know what to do. I don't know when. Wait, hold on. Oh, what was that? Ooh, that's cool. On the double, we're faster than the others. You'll be hooked on the Super Mario Brothers Plumbing. They're plumbers. I get to call them. Let me get my phone. This is great. I wonder what Ryan's doing right now. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I gotta start this. Come on. I want the answer. Answer for crying out loud.
Thank you for calling Super Mario Brothers.
You're welcome. Hi, Luigi. Look, I need your help. I need your assistance. Wait, what? But wait, Luigi. I need help. I have a plumbing issue. Lionel's just doing something with the drains. He said the pipes are broken and something. I don't know, but I need your. But Luigi, I need your help. Luigi, I need your help, please. Please, I need your help. Luigi! Wait, Luigi, don't hang up! Don't hang up, Luigi! Luigi, no, 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 no. They hanged up. No! Look at that, buddy. Hello? What? Mater? Huh, strange. It's usually Lightning answers the door. Oh, hi, what do you want? Well, I just thought me and Lightning could hang out. Where is he? Oh, he's in the bathroom. He's dealing with a broken pipe. A broken pipe from the bathroom. The bathroom? What are you talking about? I don't know. He said it kept flooding or something. Did his bathtub pipe just burst out of water? I think so. It did. Well, I gotta see. Okay. Where's the plumber? Oh, I mean, what happened? What are you doing? The water. I tried to turn off the water. I can't. The pipe must be busted. Hold on, let me try. Come on. Well, I did all I can do. Wait, hold on. Wrench. Maybe help us. I guess not. But we gotta hurry up before it floods! Wait, why can't you just take the plug out? I tried, it's stuck! Yeah, that is an issue. Oh, I don't know what we're gonna do, I don't know how to do! I never knew plumbing! Well, I never thought I would through my tools to try to fix it, but here we are now! Oh, not this again! Okay, let's just try to clog, let's just block the water and hopefully we can call another plumber. Wait, you're a plumber, you've done this before! But still, let's just clog it, okay? Alright, come on, let's go! Oh, Luigi! Hold on, give me here. Thanks, bro. Anytime. I can't believe it. Back to Earth. It's been a while, hasn't it? Kinda is. Hey, Luigi, is it me or we have a different appearance? Now what I think of. Maybe you have new gloves? What did I do? Yeah, it has to be the new gloves. Probably Shane's mine. I gotta check my phone. Alright, what do we do? Maybe I should go visit Lightning's house. Haven't seen him in a while since the Mario Kart thing. And hey, Mario? Yeah, Luigi? We have one missed phone call. What? It's our plumbing company. Haven't heard that plumbing company. We haven't done that in a while. Do we even still do plumbing? No, Mario, we do plumbing in the Mushroom Kingdom, remember? Well, I know that, but it's just been so long. Dude, you know what? Maybe we should call. Maybe we should try to do plumbing in Earth. Okay? Alright, come on, let's get out of here. Hey guys, what's going on? Mayor, call the plumbers! Who do I call? I don't know who to call. Call Mario! Who? Mario! He's a plumber! Call Mario! Who's Mario? Just call them! Oh, the Mario Bros Plumbing! I know where to get them. Aw, man, I don't know what to do. I already called them. They didn't answer. Wait, what the? It's them! It's probably them! I don't know what to do. Hello? Hello? Super Mario Brothers. You called us. Sorry we didn't answer. What's the problem? Thank goodness! You don't believe this. My friend, Lightning bathroom has his pipe just burst out of water and it can't stop. You try to twist and turn those little knots. It didn't work. I think they're stuck or something. What? Wait, did you say lightning? Wait a minute. I think we know where you guys at. Darn, we'll be here right a moment. Who is it? Someone called and I think Lightning needs help. Lightning? Well, come on, Luigi. Come on, hurry up. Okay. Where are they? Where are they? They're here. Hello. There you two are. Now, where's the trouble pipe? In the bathroom. Come on. All right, let's go. Oh no, it's still rising. All right, here's the bathroom. What the heck? Mario, help me. What's going on? I don't know, it just burst. Wrench. Don't worry. I got this. No problem. Ha! Mario!
Mario, you did it!
Anytime, guys. Anytime. Thank you guys for fixing the bathtub. Really appreciate it. Anytime. By the way, we're friends. It's all free in charge. And it's good to see you guys again after almost a year now. I know, we gotta catch up some more often. Yep. Well, if you need anything, call us, okay? Or hang out or something. I don't know. Because we're going to Brooklyn to visit our family. Alright, goodbye. Goodbye, Mario, Luigi. So hopefully we can see you again. And wait, hold on, guys. Yes? You're kind of different. Did you get new gloves? We did! Thank you for noticing. Alright, bye. Finally, I could rest. Yeah. And by the way, you owe me $500 for plumbing. What?